Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll continue distance formula. This comes from exercise 19.4, question number 14. Question tells you that use distance formula to prove that A, B, C are collinear. So in order to prove 3 points A, B and C collinear, you need to find the distance between A, B. Similarly, you calculate distance between BC and AC. To prove them collinear, the distance between AB plus BC must be equals to AC. And if these distances are equal, then we say that points are collinear. You'll understand better with calculation. So look at the calculation. First we write AB. Coordinate of A is 3, 1. Coordinate of B is 6, 4. We find the distance between AB first. x1, y1, x2, y2. We calculate AB. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values. It is 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. We get 3 whole square plus 3 whole square. Root, we get 9 plus 9, which is equals to root 18. This root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. You find prime factors of 18, 2, 9 times, 3 times. Three numbers are, these two are in pairs, so we write outside. 2 doesn't have pairs, stays inside the root. We get distance between A and B. Similarly, we calculate distance between B and C. B and C. C has coordinate 8, 6. So we use x1, y1, x2, y2. Find distance BC using the same formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitution now. It is 8 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square. It is root 2 square plus 2 square, which is equals to 4 plus 4. You get root 8, and this can be written as 2 root 2 units. We know the distance between B and C. Similarly, we calculate the distance between A and C. A and C. So we write down the coordinate of A and C. A has coordinate 3, 1 and C has coordinate 8, 6. Use the similar formula. AC equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root 8 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. It is equals to 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, which is equals to root 50. It can be written as 5 root 2. After getting all three distances to prove collinear, AB plus BC must be equals to AC. So we take left hand side and substitute the value. AB is 3 root 2 plus BC is 2 root 2. 3 is called rational number, root 2 is irrational, so rational we add it up. 3 plus 2 is 5 root 2 units. We calculate right hand side now. Right hand side is equals to AC is 5 root 2 And since these two values are equal, therefore A, comma, B and C are collinear. Remember this condition to prove collinear. AB plus BC is equals to AC. Addition of these two lengths must be equal to AC. So important calculation for collinear. Look at question number 15 now. Question 15 tells you that check whether the points are vertices of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. So you draw the diagram at the side. Write it as A, B, C. First coordinate we write it as 5, -2. Second coordinate we write it as 6, 4. Third coordinate is 7, -2. Now we start calculating the length of AB, BC and AC and check whether two sides are equal or not. If we get two sides equal means triangle is an isosceles triangle. So find the distance AB first, 5, -2. B coordinate is 6, 4. AB is equals to root. You can solve it directly. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitution. x2 is 6 minus 5 whole square. 4 minus sign of the formula -2 means +2. Root, you get 1 whole square plus 6 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus 36, which is equals to root 37 units. Leave it like this. Now calculate distance BC. B has coordinate 6, 4. C has coordinate 7, -2. Proceed with calculation again. BC. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root x2 is 7 minus 6 whole square plus -2 minus 4 whole square. We get here 1 whole square plus -6 whole square. 1 whole square is 1 plus -6 whole square is 36 plus 36. Add it up, you get root 37. AB is 37, BC is 37. You don't have to calculate third length since AB is equals to BC. Therefore, A, B, C and C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. If this BC is not equal, then we have to calculate AC and compare which two are equal. Since AB and BC was already equal, so I did not calculate AC. If this does not come equal, then we have to calculate AC to compare it. So this is how we prove triangles are isosceles or equilateral or scale-in triangle. If all three sides are unequal, the points form scale-in triangle. If all three sides are equal, means it is equilateral triangle. Look at question number 16 is similar, 17 is similar, 18 is similar. All these sums are similar, so you calculate distance and check whether sides are equal. 2 are equal means isosceles, all 3 are unequal means scale-in. All 3 sides are equal means it is equilateral. Now I'll be doing question number 20. Question says that prove it, points are taken in order are the vertices of a rectangle. So you draw a 4-sided figure. Name it as A, B, C and D. In order to prove it as a rectangle, opposite sides must be equal in length. Length of AB must be equals to CD. Length of BC must be equals to AD. First part, first calculation. Then diagonals must be of equal length. So altogether 6 times you need to find the distance. First one AB, CD equal will come, BC and AD will come equal, then diagonals. So let's proceed with calculation. A has coordinate 0, -1. B has coordinate -2, 3. C has coordinate 6, 7 and 8, 3. So first we calculate distance AB. Calculate in order, then finally you check it. A has coordinate 0, -1. B has coordinate -2, 3. Find AB. Formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2, x1, root, you get -2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus into minus is +1 square. Simplification now. -2 whole square plus 4 whole square. Root, it is 4 plus 16. Added up, you get root 20 units. Leave it like this. Now you calculate BC. Coordinate of B is -2, 3. C has coordinate 6, 7. We calculate distance again, BC. I'm doing the calculation directly. You can write the formula and do it yourself. 6 minus into minus is +2 square. 7 minus 3 square, which is equals to 8 whole square plus 4 whole square. 8 into 8 is 64 plus 16. Add it up. 0, you get 80 units. Now calculation of CD. So you have C. C has coordinate 6, 7. D has coordinate 8, 3. Find the distance CD now. Root. You can write formula if you want, or you can solve it directly. Substitute the value. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 square plus 3 minus 7. Root, you get 2 whole square plus -4 square. 2 whole square is 4 plus -4 is 16. Added up, you get 20. I told you opposite sides must be of equal length. Now we calculate AD. A has coordinate 0, -1. D has coordinate 8, 3. Simplify it now. AD equals to root. Direct calculation. First two values you subtract. 8 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus into minus is +1 square. Root 8 square plus 4 square, which is equals to root 64 plus 16, which is equals to 80 units. So we have calculated the distance. 0, -1. We found this distance AD as root 20, root 80, root 20, root 80. After doing 4 calculations, we need to find diagonals also equal. If diagonals are equal, then only we can say that this 4-sided figure is a rectangle. So we calculate AC 0 comma minus 1, C has coordinate 6 comma 7, AC is equals to root 6 minus 0 whole square plus 7 minus into minus is plus 1 square, 6 whole square plus 8 whole square, which is equals to 36 plus 64 comes equals to 100. Square root of 100 is 10 units. We know the first diagonal. Similarly, we calculate the second diagonal, that is BD. B has coordinate minus 2 comma 3, D has coordinate 8 comma 3. BD is equals to root 8 minus into minus is plus 2 whole square, 3 minus 3 square it, 10 whole square plus 0 whole square, which is equals to 100. Square root of 100 is 10 units. Now we write, since AB is equals to CD, comma, BC equals to AD, opposite sides are equal. And AC is equals to BD. Therefore, the points are vertices of rectangle. Vertices of rectangle. So look at the calculation. If you ask to prove it is a rectangle, opposite sides distance must be equal and diagonals are equal in length. If it is square, all sides will be equal. Same calculation. Find distance of this, distance of this, distance of this, distance of this, and the diagonals are equal in square also. So please do practice question number 21. Question number 22 is similar, is to prove the given points form the vertices of the square. The last question from distance formula. Question number 24. Question says that find the coordinate of circumcenter of triangle whose vertices is 8, 6. So you draw a triangle. Circumcenter of the triangle. So you have a circle passing through the vertices of the triangle A, B, C. Mark the center as letter O. You need to calculate the coordinate of the circumcenter. So what do? We write down the coordinate of A as 8, 6, 8, minus 2, and then 2, minus 2. We do not know the coordinate of O, we take it as x, y. Once you do this, radius of the circle is always equal. So we use A and O to calculate the distance. AO. A has coordinate 8, 6. Then O has coordinate x, y. Use distance formula. AO equals to root x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Simplify it. 8 minus x whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Leave it like this, no simplification. I'll do the simplification afterwards. Take it as equation number 1. Similarly, we calculate BO. So B has coordinate 8 comma minus 2 and O has coordinate x comma y. BO is equals to root, it is x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Take it as equation number 2. Similarly, we calculate this. We calculate OC now. O has coordinate x comma y. C has coordinate 2 comma minus 2. CO is equals to root 2 minus x whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square. This is equation number 3. Since it is circumcenter, so this length is known as radius, and radius always remains fixed. These three are called radii. Radii of the circle is always equal. So we equated AO is equals to BO is equals to OC or BC. CO. AO is equals to BO equals to CO. Put the value of AO. Root 8 minus x whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to root x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to the last one, root 2 minus x square plus minus 2 minus y whole square. You need to simplify to calculate the value of x, and look at the calculation part. We equate these two. Root 8 minus x whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equals to root x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Squaring both sides, root cancels. 8 minus x whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equals to x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Like terms we cancel from both the sides. Now you have to simplify this. Expand it. Y squared minus 2 into y into 6 plus 6 whole square. A squared plus b, a squared, a minus b whole square formula. Y squared plus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 whole square. It is a plus b whole square formula. Y squared cancels from both the sides. You get minus 12y plus 36 equals to 4y plus 4. Arrange it to calculate y from here. So when we simplify this, we get minus 12y minus 4y is equals to 4 minus 36. Minus 16y is equals to minus 32. Cancel it. Y comes equals to 2. We know the first value. Similarly, we take these two now. So y we got, which is equals to 2. Now take BO and CO to calculate x. You have the value here, squaring both sides. X minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to 2 minus x square plus, we arrange this and write it as y plus 2 whole square. Minus is taken common, square of minus is plus. Like terms you cancel from both the sides. Expand it now. X square minus 2 into x into 8 plus 8 whole square. 2 whole square minus 2 into x plus x whole square. Simplify it. X square minus 16x plus 64. 4 minus 4x plus x square. X square cancels from both the sides. Arrange it. Minus 16x plus 4x is equals to 64 minus 4 minus 64. Subtract, you get minus 12x is equals to minus 60. Cancel, x is equals to 60 divided by 12. X comes equals to 5. This is the calculation for the coordinate of circumcenter. Therefore, coordinate is equals to x comma y. We have assumed x is 5, y is 2. We got the first answer. Now question tells you to calculate the radius. So in order to calculate radius, we take A and the circumcenter. A has coordinate 8, 6. And center we got 5, 2. So we use the distance to calculate AO. A 8, 6, O 5, 2. AO is equals to root. Application of the formula x2 minus x1. 5 minus 8 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. Simplification now. Minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 square, which is equals to 9 plus 16 gives you root 25. Square root of 25 is 5 units. So we know the coordinate of circumcenter and the radius of the circle which is drawn outside the triangle. So please go through the formula and practice the sums. Thank you very much. Stay safe.